Look at the way you are holding your phone right now. At this very moment, your neck is supporting a weight equivalent to 60 pounds, all because of a phenomenon known as text neck syndrome. Most people don't realize that a 60-degree tilt of the head places more pressure on the cervical spine than a massive stone block. This is not just muscle tension, it is a biological mutation that is changing the shape of the human skeleton. Today on BodyFix 3D, we are using advanced medical visualization to show you how modern technology is physically reshaping your anatomy and what happens to your vertebrae when you look down. In clinical terms, this condition is known as forward head posture, or Dowager's hump. When the cervical spine loses its natural lordotic curve, the intervertebral discs begin to compress under extreme mechanical stress. This 3D model illustrates how prolonged flexion leads to the formation of bone spurs and calcification at the base of the neck. This isn't just an aesthetic issue, it is a structural failure that leads to chronic nerve compression, restricted blood flow to the brain, and permanent ligament stretching. Over time, your body builds a protective layer of fat and connective tissue to stabilize the head, resulting in a visible hump that signals deep-seated postural decay. Before we reveal the specific corrective exercises and biohacking techniques to reverse this damage and restore your spinal alignment, please subscribe to BodyFix 3D. We are dedicated to providing the most accurate 3D medical animations to help you master your physical health. If you have noticed a bump forming at the base of your neck or struggle with chronic headaches, leave a comment below and share your history with our community. Your experience helps others realize they are not alone. Also, send this video to a friend who is constantly on their phone. It might be the warning they need to save their spine. The solution to fixing a phone hump requires more than just standing up straight. It requires retraining the deep cervical flexors and opening the thoracic cavity. By strengthening the posterior chain and stretching the pectoral muscles, you can decompress the spine and move your head back over your center of gravity. Remember, your posture is the foundation of your nervous system health. Modern life may force us to look down, but understanding the physiology of your spine gives you the power to look up and reclaim your longevity. Fix your posture, fix your life, and stay tuned for more biological insights from BodyFix 3D.